Hey, Pete. What you doing there?
Making a fire.
Right. I don't think that's how you make fire.
I have a leaf.
Well,
I give up. Time to drink, Pete.
oh, okay.
Hey guys, welcome to Nature Pete. We got attacked by the Brorilla earlier. I've been here for 5 months. I've had to learn how to purify my own urine. I haven't had meat in days, so I'm really hungry. I'm pretty sure I'm dying of thirst, starvation, but let's get into it.
Are you seriously peeing?
You win some, you lose some, okay?
Oh, that's nasty. Oh, come on, Pete. Are you serious?
I learned how to purify it.
You didn't even burn it. Oh, gross. Oh.
Ah, that's good stuff. They say Australians have the yummiest urine.
Ew.
So as I was saying, Australia, crazy hot, crazy humid, crazy dry all at the same time. Australians always talking like Australians for some reason. Margot Robbie, hottest Australian alive. I'm telling you. Man, this place is crazy. It's humid. Did I say that? No. Wallabies. I love those.
Whoa. Where's the light?
Whoa, where's the lights? Where's the lights? I don't.
What?
Where are you? Stevie.
I can't see you.
Stevie.
Where did
Stevie,
you go?
what's going on?
I don't know.
I don't
Hold on.
understand.
I'm trying to figure this. What is that?
Where is everything? Where is it?
I don't.
Oh, I can't find it. Can't find it.
I can't. Okay. Oh my God! What the heck? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Nice, Stevie.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Whoa,
Where did it go?
Stevie, look at that.
Where did it go?
It's a turd.
What?
It dumped and dipped. It's the
It did-
equivalent of breaking up over text.
Oh.
But in Brorillas, it's super common. You've heard of Dippin' Dots. This is a dump and a dip. What they do is they drop their feces. Oh,
that's
hold on a
gross.
minute.
Oh, ew!
Oh, yeah.
Why? Why are you doing
Oh,
this?
you have to coat yourself in its essence so that it can't detect you.
Oh!
Yeah. It's very common in humans as well.
I've never heard that.
I'm pretty sure it's accurate, Stevie, or I wouldn't be doing it.
Okay.
Sometimes Brorillas will do this as well because they're so stupid that they think coating themselves in their own feces will hide them from human scent. I don't get it, but I go along with it.
Oh man. Pete? Pete? Boss, where are you? Boss? Boss?
Stevie, run!
Boss, where are you?
So we defeated the Brorilla. I used my trusty belt. Comes real in handy with endangered species, am I right? It was a tough battle, but I, in the end, won, as I think you can tell. My nature survival skills have helped me defeat many an endangered species. I'm so glad you guys have tuned in. Thank you. Stevie left me in the middle of battle. I have no idea what's up with him. Any words on that, Stevie?
Kind of sounds like a you problem.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Hey, Pete,
Yeah?
where's the body?